to do work and then follow according to my to do work, because I don't do even another work except my target, that you can study effectively, special on your own. Do you wanna study effectively? Can you study effectively? This is challenge you what somebody can face these problems, but they distract how to study effectively with confidently. But they don't have no idea how to focus on one place. They distract there and their point of view is according to me. I study myself. I don't distract to anyone, because somebody disturb me, somebody make me disturb, but I don't. I try to self-concentrate on my topic, my new scenario. Sometimes happen these days with you and everyone, but I don't think what will happen in my life, will happen in your life. Just I focus on my goal, my target. First of all, I make a to-do book. I have bought, I put down what to do in a day, in a week, in a month as a to-do work, and then follow according to my to-do work, because I don't do even another work except my target, that you can study effectively, special on your own. Nobody help you, nobody suggests you to size this, to suggest, to different your life. Don't. Whatever you do, have to decide. It's on up to you. You can make the most of your life. I'm not here focusing on another, just focusing my video creating. Right now I'm making videos. You can see I'm only concentrate my focus only one thing on video creating. Which type of I speak front of camera, which type of take a sound front of camera, which type of speak, which type of take my word front of camera. That's why which type of I make a one place to study at home. If you have a one place, a special place as your kitchen, as your gym setup, as your house, as your sleeping setup, then as you have to need it, you have to make a one setup to study for separate in a house corner, house you and one place. Then make it like me. I have seen you. So many people have seen a setup another. You have seen these videos, many people's videos. They have a study setup separate. They study with focus and concentrate. Nobody can distract them, because nobody can provoke them, because of they have only cool working on only setup, because they have made one setup to study different and separate on one corner. No one can come there, no one can do anything wrong with them. That's you can make a one setup to study. I have a one setup and not a normal setup, just something average setup. Not table, I have one table, we can say one desk, and I have a box, like this, pencil, this, I have pen box, I have made this, just you can see here, and this. So many people's wondering how to make a setup. Just you can go to Google and search how to make a study setup, then you can understand, somebody can understand YouTuber how to make a setup. I'm gonna share my life changing sections, not a life changing normal section. When I started study, I didn't know how to make a setup, how to study with comprehensive and concentrate. My mom, my title made me understand, do hard work, something different. Don't copy to another, copy yourself every time. If you copy another, then you can't get is whatever you want to in life. Then I have followed myself. I didn't copy to another, I didn't imitate to anyone, because I want to only focus on my concentrate to a box topic, one topic, two topic, I put down a bit. That's why I especially think somebody distract the from mobile. If you mobile distract you, leave that such as mobile. Use such some time whenever you have a empty, because you have an incomplete time. Not I'm talking about if you have free time, you have something in short time, then you can use the mobile. Just you open the mobile when you have a lots of work, like you have to need a PDF files, image, you have to like any videos and photos on Facebook, but don't download such as videos, such as applications, they distract you. Then you can go to Google and log in there and search any your Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram such as application. I don't you suggest application who distract me, because I don't want to suggest thing. Sometimes I go to outside and take a look is everyone. Somebody wanted without any target, but I want to taste. I want to tell you one thing in my life. I have made my studies on my own. Whatever I'm doing because of strategies. If you don't have a good strategies, I'm gonna walk there and go to morning time and make some routine how to do in my life, what to do in my life. I know this is very difficult. I know this is get up early in the morning time. It's very challenging for everyone. But I want to suggest you get up in the morning time and take a look. The morning time, pleasant trees, roads, field. There's everything is okay in the morning time. And I get up in the morning time and I take a look and I observe everything in the morning time, like a sunrise and flowers, trees, roads, every field. I take a look, I observe everything, what's happening. If you look, if you back up, no, you have to back up the sun. Don't, sun will not back up you, because if your sun back you, can't succeed. You need to back up your sun, because sunrise more time. Then you can make strategies and more time especially, and carry one book and study on the road after exercise. I do some different steps, one notebook, and put down a more time walking. You did exercise, you did something workout a more time. Then is follow your daily routine every time. Put down your routine. I to suggest, I to guide this and make the most of my daily routine every moment. At the moment you feel bad, you feel laziness, your body make you laziness, but you don't feel laziness. Just I can do this. It's my opportunity. This is it's honor to me. I can make this my life. I can. Quite true. Right now everybody in lockdown, under the lockdown, but you can make a one routine working on YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp. Don't use unnecessarily. If you distract is Facebook, WhatsApp, there's nothing. There's no harm to take a look at WhatsApp. Yeah, it is good. I'm agree with you, but you will, if you make a distract from your addiction, it can't happen. I've told you my life changing, not my life to change yet, but I will make my life change automatic. It can't happen. I have to make twist. I will convince my life. I will hard work on my life section. Then I will certify after success my life. So I'm suggest you follow my routines. Whatever you do, wake up early more time. Do whatever you do, carry books and get up and sunrise, before sunrise, that you can feel what proud of on yourself. Really, this is effective on your life. Whatever I tell, this is I can do. This is one of the best tricks for everyone. So thanks for watching this video. I'm Christopher from Wi-Fi Smart English. We'll meet tomorrow video, new effective videos. If you like this video, please tell me how this my video. I will changing. I will bring one changing in my video. How my sound before and last means now. So thanks God. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Stay home. Don't go outside. Bye. See you.